What's up YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy back again with another video, and today my friends at Soundcore sent me some headphones to try out. This time I have the Anker Soundcore Life Q20. Honestly guys, this is my first over-the-ear headphones. I don't know what they are like when you're supposed to use it, so I'm gonna start venturing down this path and checking out these type of devices. This is the first one. We're gonna take a walk down this path together. Let's get this party started. Let's get this box popped. Let's do what we do. Hey guys, before we start the video, here's a quick word from our video sponsor. Have you ever tried to edit a PDF file and you thought to yourself, wait, how do I actually edit a PDF? Well, I have this program over here called Wondershare PDF Elements, which takes the how out of the equation and gives you an extremely powerful tool that makes editing any PDF simple and easy. You can edit any text field, add, delete photos, highlight text, or even add a watermark onto your PDF. You can click, drag, and move pictures anywhere you want them. You can also save the file as a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or just a simple JPEG. Two of my favorite features is one-click form creation and OCR. One-click form creation will turn any flat or non-fillable form made in Word, Excel, or any other application into a fillable and editable PDF form with just one click. OCR allows you to detect and recognize text from a scanned document automatically. These guys at Wondershare have certainly thought of everything, and these are just some of the basics of what this software can do. Your editing options are almost endless. The great news is Wondershare PDF Elements is available for Windows and for Mac, and you can download it for free by clicking the link in the description. Plus, you'll get $60 off your purchase. Guys, if you need a powerful tool that is going to make editing any PDF file a breeze, this is the only one to get. Give Wondershare PDF Elements a shot. You're gonna love it. Whoosh. Woo. All right, guys, let's open it up. Let's get the plastic off first, right? Had to slice twice, that's crazy. My knife needs to be sharpened. All right, so on the back of the box, we got high res sound quality, active noise cancellation, bass up technology, 40 hours of wireless playback time, extra soft ear cups, a foldable design, aux mode, and Bluetooth 5. I've been actually looking at getting some over the head earphones for a little while now. There's a lot of options, just like with earbuds. Everybody's making it, and it's kind of confusing. I don't know which ones to buy, so I gotta do what I gotta do. Just get all of them, one at a time. Whew. All right, so we got micro USB. That doesn't please me too much. You got your aux cable, and these are the headphones. What else we got? This is a nice travel bag to keep the headphones safe while you're traveling. That's nice, I like that. Keep them really protected so they don't get scratched up by something in your bag. That's pretty dope. And then I am assuming this is your get started guides, warranty, whatnots, things that I'm not interested in. I'm interested in these guys. They twist for better folding. So they fold up like so, as you saw when I took them out of the bag. Now they are labeled R and L for right ear, left ear, which is nice. That way you get them on the right side. Now I heard that this bass up mode is gonna absolutely blow my mind. I heard that some people actually have to go into an insane asylum after they punch up that bass, because it's just like, it's crazy. What do we got? We got left ear, right ear. Let's see how that feels. My ears fit really snug in there. I can tell you these pads are really soft. These are very, very comfortable. Does the top extend? Yeah. So we got some more extension here too, guys, so you can get a really good fit. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. So let's take a look around it. So we got a power button right here, guys. You got your noise cancellation button next to the power button. Then you have your charging port and your aux port. Volume controls, which also act if you want to skip a track. I believe you long press it. I'll mess with that and see. And then you got your action button. I think that might actually activate the assistant. Not 100% sure, but we're gonna find out. So let's get this powered on. Let's see if I can pair it up. So it's chiming in my ears right now. It just told me the battery is medium. All right, we're paired up. Yeah. Well, let's listen to some tunes. Fun fact, Google Play Music just transferred all of my tunes over to YouTube Music, which was kind of nice. I'm gonna jump into my Bluetooth test playlist and let's hear this. The highs, super crispy. Oh, that's soothing. This is nice. And normal bass mode. Let's crank it. Let's put the bass mode up. So, I've been listening for a little bit. For you, it's probably seemed about 30 seconds. For me, it's been about 5 to 8 minutes. I listened to a few different songs. I can tell you that the highs are excellent. They're super crispy and the mids are buttery smooth. Now, the bass is good. It isn't like mind-blowing like what I heard, but it's strong, it's there, it's punchy, it feels good. I actually prefer it with bass mode off because bass mode seems to put bass everywhere. It mixes it with the highs, it mixes it with the lows. I like more highs, I like more clarity, I like more mids, and I like my bass to be with my bass, and my highs to be with my highs, and my mids to be with my mids. I did look at the instructions here. This button right over here, guys, this action mode button, this does activate Google Assistant, or if you have an iPhone, it'll pop open Siri for you. You also can answer and hang up calls. So I figure, let's do a mic test. Not sure how these are gonna work with that, but let's try it out, right? What could possibly go wrong? All right, guys, so this is the sound of my voice with Anker's Soundcore Life Q20 headphones. How do they sound? So if you are out on the bus or a train or whatnot, just walking around town in a noisy environment, this is how they sound. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. All right, guys, that's it. That's what I got for you today. I'm Dave. This was a quick unboxing and review of the Anker Soundcore Life Q20. You know, if you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up, guys. Help me out. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of my next video. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.